Guys, I'm at the Malé International Airport and today we're going to Koimala Beach Hotel in Ukulhas. So in order to go to Ukulhas, our hotel told us to come to counter number E19, which is right there, and someone from counter E19 will take us to the boat. So we're just waiting for a few more minutes, and walking lady is right there, and if you need washroom, it's right there in the corner. So when you come to Malé Airport, you have to find a designated booth for your hotel, resorts or boat. Now if you just go to the dock or jetty area, you're gonna get lost. We made this mistake in the past. They told us to just go to the jetty, and we went and we couldn't find anything, so I had to call the hotel, go to information desk. Then they told us to go to the designated counter for that hotel, which the hotel actually didn't tell us because maybe they thought we knew. Then we were able to find someone to take you to the boat. So before coming here, always make sure that you know what counter or information desk you have to go. If they do not have any designated counter, then there's information booth, and usually they wait there with their a representative, which is located right around the corner somewhere there. So now we already talked to our representative there for Koimala Beach in Ukulhas E19, and then we're going to the boat very shortly. And this is, I think they use Coral boat, so that's what we're going to.
Heading now, then go to Ukulhas Island.
So we had to wait a long. Then our we had to wait a little bit. Then the boat came, and our hotel representative is taking us to the right jetty or area. So we're going to board the boat in a few minutes. And that's the smoking jetty, the hut right there. And see what I told you, you're gonna get confused if you don't know your boat number, because there are just too many boats, too many jetties. And if you're looking for local ferry to Malé, that's their booth right there, and you have to pay cash, and that's going to Malé. I think all these people are going to Ukulhas.
There's a big boat.
Yeah, and that's a big boat. So looks like not just us, a lot more people found out about Maldives local island, where you can enjoy Maldives
Without paying a lot.
at a fraction of a cost.
Yeah.
No, I don't think that's ours.
Yeah.
I think maybe with these people.
More ahead maybe.
Yeah. So we're still going. Oh, it's a little far. Mafushi, okay. I come. Okay, I think we have to come here for Mafushi.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go there
Icom
counter.
Hotel.
Yeah.
That's our hotel in Mafushi.
I come a tour company.
Icom, that's the one.
Yeah, that's a tour company. They have different places. They're going to Mafushi and other island, so we bought through them. So we kind of now. So this one is going to Rushdu, Ukulhas, Fulhudu.
Oh, maybe this is
Map.
the one.
I think this is the one.
Oh wow, this is the one, guys.
This is the one.
Here. So it is 1.5 hours to get
So guys, we finally left. There was a 45 minutes delay. So the trip should take about 1.5 hours. And we are on our way to Ukulhas. We just arrived in Ukulhas and we already found our people from the hotel to pick us up, and this is the boat we took. I think it took about 1.5 hours and looks like a nice area, so we're just waiting.
Meter from side to side.
Okay.
Basically you are able to take around by walk around 30 to 40 minutes. So here is a bank, so you can withdraw USD and local currency as well.
Oh, that's really good.
And also all the shops and the restaurants, they do accept the cards,
Okay.
and you can pay by the card as well. In Ukulhas we do have 13 different restaurants, 12 different grocery stores.
Okay.
And you're able to get a Thai food, Indian food, and Italian food, and also international grill foods. You're able to get it from Ukulhas.
All right.
So, and also we do have 7 dive centers and more than 1 kilometer of a tourist beach where
Okay.
you can wear the bikini, sunbath, snorkel, swim. And also we do have some other facilities like outdoor gym, football ground, handball ground, volleyball court as well.
Okay.
Can I hold one back?
Yeah.
And also at the reef, edge of the reef, we have one small platform
Okay.
where you can see a shark without doing snorkel.
Where? Right there?
Close to the shore.
There, over there.
Over there.
Yeah.
So I think in the evening is better, right?
In the evening is better, yeah.
Okay, so here, is it like a manta ray too?
No, stingray.
Oh, in stingray.
Yeah, and sometimes the sharks used to come this corner as well.
Okay. Where do you see manta ray?
Manta we need to go the ground.
Okay.
Actually, don't come closer to the beaches.
Okay.
But the stingrays,
Okay.
they used to live closer to the beaches.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's good.
Okay. Because there's small fish cages, live baits for fishermen. They used to bring it over there.
Okay.
Because of the live bait, there's
Yeah.
so many fish are attracted over that area, so it's quite nice to do a snorkel. So basically you can
Oh.
see a bigger fish over there,
Okay.
like stingray, turtle, nurse shark, white tip, black tip shark, also parrotfish, and some other species of fishes as well. You're able to see.
Oh, okay. So the beaches are on both sides, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Except harbour, all around the island we do have.
And all beaches are bikini beaches.
No, it's started from here,
Okay.
all the way to the other side, the middle of the island. We have bikini beaches.
Oh, okay.
It's more than 1 kilometer of bikini beaches.
Okay, I heard this has the largest bikini beaches.
Yes, which was true. Some of the islands they have like quite a small area like that.
Yeah.
But we have bigger one.
Okay.
So there's our luggages there.
That's our luggage. Yeah. And some people are having a
It's a very nice guy
Yeah.
giving us information.
information.
about
Yeah, that's
the
true.
ticket of the
Yeah.
the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are coming from Dhigurah.
Yes.
So what do you think are the main differences between Dhigurah and this island?
Actually, Dhigurah is a very big, slim and long island.
Okay.
And they have the sandbanks
Okay.
attached to the island.
Yeah, we were on there. Yeah.
Yes, and the difference between Ukulhas and Ukulhas is actually wherever you are, you can reach the Bikini Beach within 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
and it's a smaller and a slim island.
Okay.
And also around the Ukulhas, most of the places you can do one of the beautiful snorkeling.
Okay.
Because our house reef is to the edge of the beach.
Okay.
From the beach to the house reef,
Okay.
less than a 5-minute snorkel.
Yep.
Which makes you do a snorkel everyday activity, and you can split the reef. Okay, today this part, tomorrow that part, tomorrow that part,
Okay.
like that. So
Oh.
it's actually a snorkeling island we
Oh,
used
mainly
to call.
snorkeling island.
Yeah. And our beaches is also very beautiful,
Okay.
and it's very easy to reach the beach. It's not a long walking distance.
What is the population here?
1200.
1200. Okay.
Yeah, and also we do have more restaurants options,
Okay.
and more grocery stores options, and also dive centers and the souvenir shops. I think we do have more of these facilities than Dhigurah.
Oh, you have more facilities.
Yeah.
Okay, but this is a smaller island than Dhigurah.
By the size wise, yes, but
Yes,
by
sir.
the population, I think
It's
we
bigger,
are
yeah.
bigger. We
I
are
think
1200.
Dhigurah maybe 5, 6, 700.
Six, yeah.
Yeah.
And they have hotels built in limit. They have a kind of rules, and we
Okay.
have a different rules by
Oh.
building the hotels.
Okay. Got
And
it.
some of the facilities like roads are also
Yeah.
getting, because yeah, we have such a difference in between Dhigurah, but Dhigurah is also a very beautiful island. This is the main road of the island,
Okay.
so that's the tourist tip, and that the other end is the local residential tip.
Okay.
Yeah. At the end we do have our school,
Okay.
and also we do have a 24/7 health facilities,
Okay.
and pharmacy we have, and also we do have a tourist calls desk in case if you have any issues regarding anything.
Okay.
But it is a very safe island.
Yeah.
So that's the other side of the beach.
Okay.
Behind, yeah, we
Oh.
will walk on this way,
Okay.
and the banana, but
That-
it belongs to someone.
Oh, okay. The one thing I'm noticing right away, comparing to Dhigurah, is more it's cleaner and more organized.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Is,
Yeah.
yeah, we don't have many bushes around.
Yeah.
And we clean the bushes, and we do have a beach bars and beach facilities where you can rest and relax on the beach as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Cool.
And we have, I think, more constructions ongoing,
Oh,
which
okay.
was not a good point, but
Yeah.
whatever it is there.
Yeah, that's true.
And this is the Italian restaurant, one of the best in the island.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is called pepperoni restaurant.
Pepperoni restaurant.
Pepperoni restaurant. Okay.
We have 3 roads. One
Okay.
is the ring road, other one is the main road, and this road.
Okay.
So basically, it's a smaller than, if you want also, it's so difficult to get lost.
Oh, dear. I got it.
And the
Yeah.
closest shop will be 5 minutes walk that way.
Okay.
To you will be reaching a factory mart.
Okay.
That's the local shop.
Okay.
And also we do have some other shops around the island.
Oh, okay.
And that's the protected bush area.
Yeah.
We used to call, that's our jungle part. We have a few animals.
Okay.
No, we don't have. We have cat, mouse, mice, these peoples. We don't have animal in here.
Where is there a barber shop here?
Yeah, we do have 2 barber shops, 2 spa.
Okay.
That
How
you
do
can-
you go? Which part?
From the harbor we have 1,
Okay.
and also in the main road all the way to the that side.
Yeah.
We do have
Another one.
another one. Yeah,
Okay. Cool. And there's one hospital.
yeah, we do
Okay.
have a hospital as well.
Oh, okay.
Place this way.
No, next maybe.
This is the closest way to the beach
Oh, okay.
from Koimala.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Koimala Beach.
Whoa.
Have a seat.
Okay. Thank
It's
you.
a rocking sofa.
Okay. Oh, rocking. Okay.